Hi, welcome back. As part of the problems we are solving in straight lines, we'll be doing some more problems. So I have noted down a couple of problems here. We'll just go through them one by one. The idea is to cover as much as possible all the different types of problems so that you will have enough exposure to solve them. And we'll be applying all the concepts whatever we learned in straight lines, different forms of equations. So we'll have problems where we have perpendicular lines, parallel lines, and also two intercept form, point slope form, and all that stuff. Okay, let's start. So let me just say that these are problems as 1, 2, 3, so that I'll solve them one after other. This is 2 and this is 3. In answers also we'll do the same fashion. So let me say this is equal to 1. Okay, and I'll be finishing it. I'll utilize this space 1, 2, 3 for this whole thing. Okay, see here, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and having x intercept 3. So if you read it again, find the equation of the line. Yes, I'll be finding out perpendicular to the line. That means I have been given the slope. If I am able to find out the slope and I find out the negative reciprocal, it's nothing but the slope. Then x-intercept is 3. That means there is a point hidden here, right? X-intercept is 3 means the point is 3, 0. The point is 3, 0. So I know the point is 3, 0, and I will directly substitute in my equation, which is nothing but b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. So for x minus 7y plus 5, what is the equation? So I will say the equation is x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0, and the point given to us is 3, 0. So my equation will be b, that is nothing but 7 into x minus x1, this is my x1 and this is my y1. 7 into x minus 3, minus will become plus a into a is nothing but 1 into y minus y1, that is nothing but y minus 0 is equal to 0. It's nothing but 7x minus 21 plus y equal to 0, or 7x plus y minus 21 equal to 0. So just take a couple of minutes and see how we have solved it. It's a straight line we have been given. We have to find out equation of a line which is perpendicular to this. So that will be of the form 7x plus y plus k equal to 0. Okay, and it's passing through 3, 0. So when I substitute that, it will become 7x minus 21 plus y equal to 0. Okay, you can do it in another way also. What is the other way? I'll just erase this, but I'll writing it for you. X minus 7y plus 5, the perpendicular line will be 7x plus y plus k equal to 0, and it's passing through 3, 0. So 7 into 3 plus 0 plus k equal to 0, which gives me k equal to minus 21. So the equation of the line is 7x plus y minus 21 equal to 0. It boils down to the same thing, right? We have gone through that. Okay. Now let's look at the second one. Okay. What's the second one? Let me look at the second one. Second one, find the equation of a line parallel to y-axis, that means it will be of the form x equal to k, and drawn through the point of intersection of this, that means this will give me a point and I know slope equal to 0. Simple, right? I'll be able to find it out. First I have to find out the point of intersection of this, so let me just do that. The point, the straight lines are x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. See, whenever you say point of intersection of the lines means that point will satisfy both the lines. That's why it's a intersection, and you know that for two straight lines there will be only one point of intersection, so it will be unique. What is our other condition? 3x plus y equal to 0. Now let me take x equal to 7y minus 5 and substitute it in this equation. This becomes 3 into 7y minus 5 plus y equal to 0. That is nothing but 21y minus 5 plus y equal to 0. That's nothing but 22y minus 5 equal to 0, which gives me y equal to 5 by 22. 5 by 22. If I substitute y equal to 5 by 22 in this, I will get x equal to 1 minute. Yeah, we have here, I was just trying to see where we did mistake. 22y minus 15 equal to 0, that gives me y equal to 15 by 22. Now what is value of my x? X is nothing but equal to minus of 1/3 into y. Y is nothing but how much? So minus of 1/3 into 15 by 22, that is nothing but equal to 5 by 22. So I'll erase this. Let me do one thing, otherwise I'll just move it this side. Okay, right? So the value of x is equal to minus 5 by 22 and value of y is equal to 15 by 22. Now what is the equation I said? The equation will be of the form x plus k equal to 0 or x equal to k. Now if I substitute in this, say x, now I don't know what it is, so I'll say x minus k equal to 0 and substitute this. Okay, what it becomes? Minus k minus 5 by 22 equal to 0, which gives me k equal to minus 5 by 22. So the equation of the line is x minus of minus 5 by 22 equal to 0, or you can simply say x equal to minus 5 by 22. This is the second problem. Okay, the only point here what we have to really look into is you have to find out this point of intersection. And what is the meaning of line parallel to y-axis? The line which is parallel to y-axis will be of the form x equal to k, right? So that will give me x equal to minus 5 by 22. Now let's go to the third one. What is this? Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to this line. I will do it here, so I am just noting down here. Let me take another color. Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to the line x by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1 through the point where it meets y-axis. Through the point where it meets y-axis. Where, okay, you can read it there in the problem. I am just writing it so that I get an idea how to go ahead with this. Okay, so Now I have the information. The line should be perpendicular to this. So first let me write this in ax plus by plus c. This becomes 6x x by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1. That's nothing but equal to 6x plus 4y equal to 24. Right. Now this is the equation of the line. Now I have to find out perpendicular to this, right? So I just want to see whether I have any point, right? It says through the point, see here, through the point where it meets y-axis. Where it meets y-axis, where this line meets y-axis? If I draw this as coordinate axis and this graph, we know that this is equal to 4 and this is equal to 6, right? And what is this point? We know this point x-axis is 0 and y-axis equal to 6, right? Now what he is saying? He wants to draw a line perpendicular to whatever the given line through the point where it meets the y-axis. That means you want to draw the line, perpendicular line at this point. Where? At this point. So it's nothing but this is the line. You are saying you want to make a perpendicular line passing through this point. That means the line will also pass through. So I know the point through which it is passing through. It is 0, 6. Now it is very simple. I will say 4 into x minus 0 minus 6 into y minus 6 equal to 0. Right? This becomes 4x minus 6y plus 36 equal to 0. If I can simplify this, this becomes 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. The only point here we have to understand clearly is this point. Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to the line is fine. Through the point where it meets the y-axis. Where it meets the y-axis, where this particular line meets the y-axis, at y-intercept. So y-intercept already given to you 6. So indirectly it was told that it is passing through the point 0, 6. So we have found a line perpendicular to this line because we found this slope and we have inversed this, and it is also passing through 0, 6, and the line equation is 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. Okay. So I'll meet you in the next video where we will do some more problems. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.